Well, guys, they automotive reviews, and I want to thank you guys for coming to this channel. And remember, share and subscribe, and give me them thumbs up, likes. We need your support. Just in case no one told you guys today, you're awesome people. You're awesome. You're fantastic. And let's get back to the Bronco. Now, the first mods you should do to the 2021 Ford Bronco. The 2021 Ford Bronco is finally here, and it's amazing, folks. Very amazing. With such versatility baked in from the factory, it's hard to imagine a situation where the new Bronco would need to be modified. Can you imagine, folks? However, we're never ones to underestimate people's inherent desire for personalization. You want to know that your Bronco is yours and nobody else's. Thankfully, Ford has recognized this as well and has said that when the first Bronco hits showroom floors in early 2021, there will be more than 200 available accessories, including more than 100 for the Bronco Sport. These parts will be a mix of Ford performance offering and authorized aftermarket products. It's truly going to be amazing, folks, because we're still so far out from the first Bronco being introduced to the world. Anything we say on this topic is just an educated guess as to what might be available at that time, either from Ford or the aftermarket. With that in mind, let's take a look at what the first Bronco mods could be. Let's look at the wheel and tire and suspension. This one is easy. No matter what trim level of Bronco is bought, we'd add the Sasquatch package to it from the get-go. Why? The Sasquatch package adds 35-inch tires, beadlock capable wheels, and the HOSS suspension with position sensitive Bilstein dampers. Although we don't yet know the cost of this package, if history is any indication, it should be right on par with or a touch less expensive than ordering these parts separate. Adding the Sasquatch package will also protect the vehicle factory warranty. And you roll the cost into the financing. Now that's just amazing. You want to protect the vehicle factory warranty. That's what you definitely want to do. The 2021 Bronco is going to arrive outfitted with the 2.3-liter EcoBoost. I4 are the 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6. The 2.3-liter EcoBoost is said to produce 270 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, which is the same as the rating of the engine when installed in a 2020 Ranger. Ford Performance currently offers a tuner for Ranger that bumps engine power to 315 horsepower and 370 pound-feet of torque. We can't imagine they won't offer the same for the Bronco. The 2.7-liter V6 is said to produce 310 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. This is slightly less than the 325 horsepower that the engine currently makes on the 2020 Ford F-150 pickup. Torque is the same as 400 pound-feet. Assuming Ford Performance doesn't offer a tuner for the 2.7-liter EcoBoost version, the aftermarket has this covered and is easily pushing the engine to nearly 400 horsepower and 500 pound-feet, which is credible. Look at this front end, folks, and look at this. This is just awesome. This is what you want. It's a light bar. That's just awesome. When you're going off-roading and it's starting to be evening, you can just light the path up with that baby. Now, body armor, Ford has given the aftermarket quite the gift by allowing the new 2021 Bronco body panels to be removed quickly with basic hand tools. What this all will allow is the easy fender and fender flare changes, depending on the type of off-roading that's intended. We're anticipating that everything from steel tube fenders to wider fiberglass units will be available. We'll likely grab a set of aftermarket fenders, hang our factory ones in the garage, and go have fun in the rocks without worry. That sounds like the ideal plan. Rock sliders will also be a must. And in fact, Bronco will come from the factory with pretty decent rocker protection. However, for those looking forward to more extreme wheeling, a new set of rock rails should be on the order. Now, the bumper and winch. Yes, please. The number and style of bumper and winches for the 2021 Bronco is likely to be the bulk of the parts catalog. We keep a low profile bumper on the vehicle, much like factory, and back it with a 10,000 pound winch. Choosing from the approved variety will ensure that the factory electronics remain functional. And that's the winch is just awesome, folks. And like we talked about earlier, the light bar, let there be light. Now, as a part of the introduction of the 2021 Ford Bronco, Ford teased photos of the Bronco with the LED light bar attached to the roofline. This tells us there will be not only light bars on the approved parts list, but also mounts. We'll probably outfit the Bronco with a nice low profile LED light bar, along with the amber dust light to the rear. This is awesome, folks. Whatever your heart desires, much like the Jeep Wrangler, the new 2021 Ford Bronco is set to be one of the most customizable vehicles on the road. It is also set to come from the factory with a robust features set, one that doesn't need a ton of improvements. We're sure we'll see tons of accessories, from dash mount for cameras and cell phones. This is just awesome, folks. I'm just, flabbergasted with the Ford Bronco. What a fantastic vehicle to add to fantastic people with awesomeness. Just awesome. You deserve this. Everyone deserves this, baby. And then the Bronco is just heart-throbbing. It throbs my heart in all different ways. We need to get out and have some adventure in our lives during this time. We need to get out and enjoy. And we need to be positive. We need to love our fellow men. And we need to enjoy life together. The trees. Just look at this Bronco, folks. The grass and everything together and just enjoying just life. How amazing, folks. Just amazing. Just out and about with your gear on top and just out, enjoying life with your significant other or your friends or those that are close to you. That's what life is all about. And this is what the Ford Bronco does. It's going to do that just for you because you are special. Look at that. Look at that aerial view. You got the extra gas in case things go wrong. You even got a thing to slide stuff on in case somebody get hurt. You can still get them to the truck. and get him to the ER. Because he's about to have some serious, serious fun. Look at those fender flares. This is just awesome, folks. Awesomeness. Now, what amazing. I mean, just amazing. I like the way that looks, how you can just look right in. Look at that. I mean, you can just put your coolers, your drinks. I mean, everybody just, two people just sitting in the back, just chilling and relaxing, having a good day. Now, there's going to be a ton of accessories for this, from dash mounts for cameras and cell phones to floor mats and seat covers. We know there will be tube door options from Ford, and it's likely there will be several different kinds. There's likely to be a roof panel, insulation panels, along with different soft tops and sun visors. The list is going to be enormous, gigantic, folks. Look at that. You're just recording your experience and letting the world know, or putting the world out there with you so that they can go out and enjoy this experience. So hopefully I'll get my fingers crossed I can put my order in, but I got to get my finances right. But just to bring this experience to all of the people on my channel, to be able to do this and bring a Ford Bronco and experience and get out and go on some trails with a bunch of other people and just enjoy life. This is what it's all about. But all we know for sure right now, at this point, is that we are beyond excited to see just how each Bronco owner customizes their ride. And this is what Ford is excited about. And if we can avoid any kind of angry eyebrow grill inserts or the inevitable headlight eyelashes extensions, that would be great. But some people, their personal customization, if that makes you happy, go for it. Just go for it. But this is awesome, folks. Everything that comes with it is just awesome. Look at that. I mean, you got the swing gate open. You can just tailgate. You can relax. You can get out your equipment and do some climbing. Be very careful out there. But this is just an awesome, awesome SUV, guys. And you guys are awesome people. And whatever it is in life, go for it. Stay positive, exercise, drink plenty of water, do what you have to do to stay healthy, because no one needs to tell you what to do to stay healthy, but look out for your fellow man, your fellow human beings, and be out there enjoying this life with all other life. That's what this is all about, and that's what the Bronco experience is all about. You guys, this is AL Automotive Reviews. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And you guys are fantastic people, and you guys have a fantastic day. You guys are totally fantastic. Much love, and thank you for coming to this channel. Have the greatest gratitude for everyone. Bless you guys. Take care. This is AL Automotive Reviews.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.